Hello everyone, my name is Kaneho, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can build a website absolutely for free using Site 123 on Spidermark website. And without further ado, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Let's jump inside my PC. I'll show you how you do that. Alright, so we're gonna go to spidermark.site. Spidermark, alright, the site. Alright, here we are on the Spidermark website, and what you do here, you hover down to here, build your business, just underneath here, instant AI website. You click on that. It brings you this page here where you can choose the kind of business you want, any kind of business, online store, blog, events, photography. All right, so for the purpose of this tutorial, not a tutorial really, just a little piece of guide, I guess. We're gonna use, say, a blog, right? Okay, we're gonna choose blog. Okay, so it's loading this side, 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna wait for a little bit. Okay, there we are. Okay, boom. There we are here inside the landing page. Okay, so in fact, okay, I'll tell you what I did here. So I chose a landing page instead of the website here. Let me show you something so you don't get confused. Just go back. I don't want to confuse you with this because instead of choosing a blog, I chose a landing page. Okay, so I chose, in fact, not a website, but a landing page. Now, one of the things that happens is the interface on site 123 has changed a little bit. Okay, so they've added a landing page on it, and so makes it a little bit. All right, so anyway, so you choose whatever you want here. So when you go on our site and you go through to site 123, you choose your business here, it's gonna show you where you choose a landing page here as one of the options here. All right, so which is very latest, that was just being added, and when you click on it, it's gonna automatically drive you through to this page here. And of course, one of the things that you're gonna do here is, after you've chosen whatever business you want to start, you're gonna have to log in. You're gonna have to sign in with your email and your personal details, which I'm gonna skip that stage right now because I've already signed in, and this is where I am right now. Okay, so we're just gonna, this is the account. Okay, so what you can do here is you can upgrade. Of course, if you upgrade, you get a whole lot of benefits when you go to the pro version, which is about $10 a month, and you get to have a whole lot of benefits. You'll see that, and I'll make a separate video to show you what are some of the benefits that comes with the pro version. Domain here, you can add your own domain, which is one of the benefits that come with the pro version. Settings, you can do a whole lot of settings. We're not gonna go into that one right now. And edit is when you edit your website. But let's just go inside setting a little bit so you can see what we have here. Okay, so SEO advisor, webhooks, contributor, and all of this. Okay, domains, pro. So domain, your own domain, it only works on the pro version. So if you do not have the pro version, you're gonna have your website being something like this. You see www.spiderlandingpage.com .co.za. So in fact, here on landing page, you can edit this into something else that you want, but you're not gonna have like okay, so this I'm sorry, this is the suggested domain after you had upgraded. Okay, so you can be able to customize it in this way and in other way possible that you want. But before you upgrade, your website would look like something like this. So the only part that you can edit on the free version is this part right here. You see this part right here. This is the part of these numbers. So it's gonna be your website.site123.me. You can edit a few others, something like that. Let's just click here and see what is it. What does this one show? So it's gonna show just where we were right now. Okay, there we are. This is the website that landing page shows, but I'm gonna show you something while we're still here. So this is the website. I haven't really customized it. I'm gonna show you how you do that. All right, so now you click on edit here. It's gonna now show you inside the. Oh, there was something I wanted to show you there, which was part of the the bandwidth and the megabytes, the space, the storage that comes with that, with the hosting. All right, so now I've chosen this landing page for the purpose of this tutorial. Homepage. Now you can do your edits here. There's no much drag and drops, but you can build your website pretty much easy. You can click here and edit text. Right here, you can edit the text. You can click here and edit the text that's here. Everywhere you click, you're able to edit the text that's there, and you're able to put new different blocks that are different. And right here is a form. You can be able to customize your form as well. Now let's go to pages. Go to pages. You can be able to edit your page from home page. And there's pretty much templates here that you can be able to use as well. You can choose among all of these templates that are here that are pretty good. They can help you to build your website and the kind of website you want. So you just click on that. Say maybe you need that king burger. It looks super delicious. Okay, that's fine. All right, click continue. Now that super delicious burger template, it's gonna come through. There we are. Now we've got this super delicious burger as on your landing page. Perhaps maybe you do burgers, or you have a restaurant, whatever you do with that burger. I don't do much things with the burger other than holding it in my mouth. All right, and you can edit that. Say maybe you want to edit that button. Okay, so it's already been delinked. You can edit that button. Okay, so you can edit that text, and it's a little bit not that very much easy to get to the point where you edit the button, but you can edit the button. You can sort of choose what type of actions does the button do. Maybe a video pop-up icon. You can do any sort of image, but you can choose whatever action that you want this button to do. Alright, now you can book a table. So if you want to have maybe you're running this restaurant, this is the call to action to your client, book a table. And you want to put another button here, and you can write something else. Super hot burger. Is it gonna be too long? Okay, cool. No, it doesn't matter. Okay, I like this burger. That's not so important. Khaneho, relax. It doesn't look so coherent. Okay, cool. Book a table, or get it delivered. That makes sense, right? Get it delivered. That makes sense. Right. Okay, so you can do that. And down here, you can add some more of services and the kind of stuff that you want to edit right here. Okay, so we're gonna close this one right here. I'm gonna go here, say maybe our service. You can edit there. Maybe instead of our service is menu, because you'll be running a very bad spelling of menu. Our menu, is this menu or is it E? Okay guys, how does it look? This look weird. I think this one, okay, this looks very weird. I'm not gonna consider that at all because I don't know how to write menu. Okay, so is on our table. On our table, that makes sense. All right, on our table, then you can always put this, always edit this, and click on edit here, and you can put consulting, you can put your description here, you can put a brand new image that you want to add on this. All right, and not that intuitive, but you can do that. All right, you can click that and close. You can edit all of that. It can take you just about 20-30 minutes to do that. Okay, so design, you need to choose how your website want it to look like, and the kind of colors here, you can choose these colors. And you see now the button, they changed to that color, orange. This was the color before, and you can take this turquoise color, this sort of turquoise kind of color. You can go for brown color. Doesn't look very good for fooding. Doesn't look good next to the burger. Okay, so I think most of the time burgers, they look cool when there's something like all right, whatever, I don't know. Yeah, not really. That looks like a whatever. Okay, so we're gonna leave that because we're not gonna get it. Oh yeah, that looks pretty cool with burgers. All right, not really. Whatever, we can debate about it. Okay, so fonts, you can choose whatever kind of fonts you want to choose here. Roboto. Roboto is a popular font, but you wouldn't put Roboto on a hero page, so absolutely not cool. King Beggar. This one looks pretty cool. Medieval. All right, so that's it. So you can add all of that, and then you can click more here, and you can add footer. You can choose whether you want to show your social networks right here. You can show your Facebook, and people that want to follow you right here on Twitter, on Facebook, and you can add even more. So you can click on edit here, and you can edit right here. You put your link that goes to your Facebook page or your Facebook following page, whatever. Right here, you can edit, click add Twitter, and update. Don't forget to save after you've done that. Floating share button. So floating share button, it means when you scroll on your phone or anywhere else on your mobile and on your computer, the sharing buttons will always be there on the screen for someone who's experiencing your page to be able to share. Many people don't like share, but it's always cool. It's always cool. But people don't like to share unless you tell them to share. So it's cool to have that floating thing going on. And show mailing list. Well, not really. You might want to show mailing. Well, it's up to you if you want to show mailing list. Absolutely, you can do that. So when people want to sign up, they can see where they're signing up and what's going on in that. All right. So right here, you can click here. People to put their emails here, and they click subscribe. And you're gonna have to do what to connect your mailing list with whatever CRM that you're using. Okay, and terms and conditions, you can also add that if you want to add that terms and condition. If say maybe say someone have eaten the burger and they did not pay, they wanted to eat for free and they don't have money to pay. And what are the terms and conditions? We let them wash the dishes and clean the table and everything. I wouldn't mind to do that. After I've got this burger, I would probably be happy to do that. I'm kidding. All right, so private policy, you can add that, and you've got your private policy text, and you're gonna put it there as right here. You see right here, down here, terms of conditions, privacy, and you get the privacy text, and you put it underneath there. You can edit. And right here, it's gonna give you a chance to write all of your terms of condition, privacy. You say okay, after you have eaten our stuff. Okay, fine, it's not worth it. We're gonna close it there. Discard changes. All right, so that's just about it, and very soon, boom, you've got your website. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna leave it like this. Okay, let's go to settings quickly before we launch it. So you can website name and logo, you can click there. Okay, doesn't want to click. All right, click there. You can actually change this site here and make it a king beggar site. All right, as a king, ugly king. All right, king beggar. All right, what's going on with it? All right, that's cool. Is this beggar? Doesn't look like a good beggar. Okay, it looks like a beggar, good beggar. All right, cool. So here, logo style, you get to be suggested some few logo styles. You can choose that. That looks bad. This looks a little bit intriguing. All right, this one is cool. What about that? That doesn't look like food. Looks like some accounting firm. All right, this could look like food. In fact, let's make it naked without the whole lines. All right, that's fine, but it looks like a brand, a shoe brand. All right, I'm kidding. All right, so you can add a logo here, you can add an icon, you can upload a picture that you can put down there, which is your personal logo that you've developed, and external sources. You can maybe get a logo that you can put, you need to put a link for it. Maybe if it's on the cloud, you upload it with the link and it's gonna show up there. And you can change, make it bold, you can make it small, font lock 25, letter space, word passing, all of that sort of stuff. You can do that. I think that's pretty cool. I think that's pretty cool though, you know. I don't have much reviews good and about it, but it looks pretty cool. Anyway, so website type, you can click there, check your website type, single page, multiple page. All pages are displayed on the home page. All right, something like this. So when you click here, it's gonna be these, what you call this? Call the custom links. All right, it's gonna be custom links. So everything's gonna be on one page. But if you choose here, that means when you click here, this, when someone comes and click here, it's not gonna do this behavior. Well, now, right now, we didn't save it. So, but what's gonna happen is it's gonna open another Windows, another tab, and it's gonna go to another page. Okay, so for now, let's do this single page website, and we should be good to go. All right, so that's cool. And let's go back, and you've got here country locate. The hell is that? All right, so we are in Johannesburg right now, so that's pretty cool. So you can set your time zone, you can set your location. So, well, what it does is it actually set this automatically. So if you are in Dubai, it's gonna set it Dubai automatically. If maybe you're in Lagos, shout out to Lagos people down there. Just let's see how many cities are here. Okay, anyway, it's not worth it at all, right? But let's just check if something you love so much, and that is something in Santorini. Okay, that's fine. Let's not do this because it's wasting a whole lot of time. Okay, so you can add date and time, so it's not so very important, but you can put that. Okay, you can always go back. And website language, this one, if you see this little thing right here, this yellow crown here, it means it's only available in Pro, and you cannot change it. You cannot be able to set edit language unless you upgrade right here. Okay, yep, absolutely. And while we're still here on the upgrade thing, you see here, these are some of the things that when you go to your upgrade version happens. All right, you connect your custom domain, you remove the floating powered by site 123 tag, you remove that. You get a free domain, an annual plan free domain, and you get this multiple language option, and you get also e-commerce advanced features right here. I love this one, and a lot more. Of course, you have to wonder what is a lot more. But if you really want that, you're gonna have to click here on upgrade and get to see that. All right, let's close that quickly. And we're not gonna have a language setting. So also app settings right here, you're gonna need to have a pro version in order to do that. Add generate logo, no, you don't need that much. All right, plugins and custom code. If you want to add your custom CSS code, you want to add some HTML code and some other custom code, this and that. You want to add the popular plugins like Google Analytics, Google Webmaster Tool, some Google AdSense, Facebook Pixel. So let's see. Maybe you want to add the plugin, Google Analytics, and then you're gonna say add new right here, and add new plugin, add new custom code is only for pro. Okay, add new plugin. Now this right here are the popular plugins that you could find, that you could be able to add: Yandex, Bing, Pinterest, Hotjar, Drip, LinkedIn, Drift, Engage, all of that. Cura, I love Cura. I'm a big fan of Cura, and all of that. All right, so connect. Okay, so that's it, and you can be able to add depending what your website is doing and what is it that you want to deliver. You've got these Google Ads right here. This one you really want to make sure you get it. Also, but one of the interesting thing that you see here is you cannot be able to add all of these plugins unless you upgrade. Can you see that? Now that's a little bit crazy. And what will be the others that you can put for free? I'm not really sure about that, but you'll check that out. All right, plugins. So can we go back? Analytics tools, live support chat, right? All right, there's a live support chat. Tidio. All right, we've used Tidio before. And right here, click desk, none of that. You're like, all right, we like that. Okay, marketing tools, Kira, Sumo, proof source. Oh, this one right here. You wanna use this. This one is gonna make you get a few more sales, and it's gonna help you. Twitter, yeah, trending. Webmaster tools. You can add Yandex. You can add all of this webmaster stuff. Anyway, let's go back and out of these plugins right here, and we're gonna go to. Okay, we're not close, right? Okay, we close that, and we're back here in settings. Facebook, this one you can add for free. There's no way you would need to have to upgrade for that, because you can always just add it, use Chrome to do that. All right, let's go to domain. All right, so this is apparently my website. That's pretty crazy, but you can edit that, of course, and you can always just have your own domain, and you can put it here, and you can choose .name.org.uk .za you can choose that and pay for it. And Spidermark not available, and Spidermark just so all right, so you can edit this if you want to edit it. Maybe you've gotten a domain, you want to search a domain, say maybe Burger King, right? Burger King. So you can choose if it's gonna be burgerking.co.za. This one is available. Say we try and make it .com. BurgerKing.com. Burger King not available. Burger King.biz is not available. Burger King today is available. When you click here, instantly it's gonna take you to what you're supposed to buy. What I would do is this will cause a whole lot of complication. I wouldn't advise you to take the domain here and click available, then go ahead and do that. So what I would say you do is, on the link description below this video, I've included a link to a web hosting that is absolutely affordable, very reliable, easy to get, easy to set up, and anything like that below here, and that is WebHost. That is what we trust. You can click on that link and check it out, and the link is included below. All right, so this just about it. With domains, you can add your own domains and get rid of all these dots and all these things. Oh, by the way, that website with the numbers, you can edit that. Don't worry about it. That was like automatic. You can edit that. Okay, so then when we're done, we're gonna have to go click on what? Publish, right? We're gonna click on publish, but let's read this little thing first of all. Publish. All changes are automatically saved to draft. Click on publish when you're ready to upload your changes. All right, so upgrade or publish. Let's go on and publish. Now, are you sure you want to publish? Absolutely sure. You have changed success. Okay, success something. All right, secure your unique domain name before it's too late. All right, you can secure a domain name on this side and stuff like that. You can do that. You can, or maybe continue editing. That's still fine. All right, let's continue editing. And by the way, you already have like a fully built website. All right, so you're done. Once you click on publish, you're done. So if you want to get the link to your the link to your website, you're gonna have to come to here, settings right here, not domain, yeah, absolutely. So this right here will be your existing subdomain right here. Okay, so you're gonna have to click there. It's gonna take you straight to that landing page. All right, it's gonna take you to this landing page which we've just created. Now let me give you a little tip on how to get this thing around. Say maybe you've got this link, this very ugly link right here, and you can change it outside. I just didn't show you how you can change it, but you can always just take this and bitlink it. Bitlink. Okay, you're not seeing what I'm talking about here, right? So the link I'm talking about is right here. Right here. You see right here, this is the link. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm sorry, because you know, it's like this screen. Okay, so now let's go back to our builder. I want to show you. Okay, so you can add a page here. By the way, you can add a new page. Okay, so this could be the home page, and when you click right here, you can be able to add another page. That was very important to show you. So this page that you're adding, it already gives you suggestions of what page you want to add: restaurant, e-commerce, whatever, portfolio, You can be able to choose how you do all of that. All right, and add a page that you want to add. Okay, some other people are making a whole lot of noise on the other side of the office. I hope you tolerate that. Anyway, so that's just about it, and that's how you build your website here on Spidermark. You build your free website using Site 123, and if you find any difficulties that you cannot be able to build your website and you find some glitches, please reach out to the team right on the website, on the Spidermark website. When you go to our team services, you go down on the page. There's an email, support email, and that is support@Spidermark. You can be able to send an email right there, and the team will be able to assist you absolutely for free to set up your website. You know, and if you want the team to build this website exactly the way you want it and fully functional and done, and hand it over to you to be able to manage and give you a few tips on how to go ahead with that, you can always also reach out to the support team, and the support team will get that done for you. It's gonna take just 3 days for the team to set a powerful website for you, a powerful blog or whatever with full functions for you, and you can be able to go ahead and run your business. And that's just about it. And if you liked this video, please click the like button and click the subscribe button, because you don't want to miss most of the content that we keep on releasing every time. And you can click that notification bell as well, so that you are always up to date with some of the tutorials that we release and some of the videos and the content that we make for you. And as an entrepreneur, you don't want to be far from entrepreneurs that help you to grow your business online. So keep in touch. And with that, I sign out. My name is Kaneho, and goodbye. We'll see you on the next video.